Deerma Vacuum Cleaner. Is it to buy or not to buy? So today we're going to do a quick unboxing and check its quality, and of course to see if it works exactly how it is advertised. So let's go. Alright, so what's in the box is, of course, the vacuum. I think we got here the tip. The vacuum itself. I think this is the extension. And of course, the tip again. And manual. And nothing else. So we got here the machine itself. And I think this is the vacuum. You can put it like that as an extension if you wanted to vacuum the floor. And oh, this is something like a shotgun. It is adjustable, but how to remove it? Okay, all right. There's this button right here if you wanted to put it that way. It fits, and then if you want to remove it, just press this button right here. And of course, we've got the tip right here. I think this is for tight spaces. This is something that you can put on just like that, or if you wanted something that has brush on the tip, and then you can just simply put it that way. Or if you wanted to do the floor, you can also do this right here, which is this is something flexible too. It can tilt up and down, and of course tilt left or right. Okay, so the plastic is kinda cheap toy plastic, but of course let's go ahead and see if it exactly works just like how it is being advertised. So let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, probably you're not going to see it on video, that there's a lot of hair, fur from our cat in here, because we have two cats, and obviously they're all over the floor. But we're not going to be able to see it right now, but I think the best way to see it, if there's actually going to be fur that is being sucked in this tube right here. So let's see. Well, I think the suction is actually strong, as you can see right here. It sucks. This mat right here is strong. Okay, so yep. Alright, I think it sucks alright. As you can see right here. How do I remove it? Okay. Alright, so you can actually remove it by just pressing this button right here. This button, and then remove it. So let's see. Well, these are my cat's fur, so obviously they're being sucked, right? And I also see like large dust right here. They're almost like kind of sand. So the plastic itself, again, they're not the best. Obviously, they're just made of cheap plastic. But then again, for now, the motor sucks really good. It sucks good. It was able to, suck those fur right there. So I think it's a good buy for like around 2,000 pesos. All right, till next video, buyers, peace.